there's only one thing I could be doing in a school uniform type dress, which is a stationery haul on your popular demand. So I went to Crawford Market with 1,500 rupees and I spent every penny on stationery. Let's see what all I got. So I bought a lot of tiny greeting card packets, 10 cards for 20 bucks, which is awesome I think, because I used to like making them. So I'm going to give these to my close friends and family, and I think I can also use them as gift tags. I bought thank you cards, I bought random cards because there could be some occasions which are not included. Then I got best wishes cards. Then I bought this little cute box. I know I can put rings and stuff in this. It doesn't exactly count in stationery, but it was cute. Then I bought 2 chocolates. This doesn't include in the... Wait! You took my chocolate! I'm at the YouTube space and Love has stolen my chocolate, which has a golden wrapping. है बताने तो दे सबको. It is a Lindt 99%. I'm obsessed with dark chocolates, and the exact same chocolate is sold for more than 400 bucks in stores like, I won't name, but the big ones. And at Crawford, I get them for 240 bucks. I got each one. It's like literally half the price. Then, I'm giving it to you. Then I got a Milo chocolate. I've grown up on Milo ka powder. I used to eat it with a spoon. I don't get it anymore. I get the big packets and I don't want to eat that much. So I just bought a Milo chocolate and I finished all of this in one night. 2000 calories ek saath. Next, I got a buttload of papers because they were so cheap. They were just around 6 rupees per paper and they're really fancy. So I bought this Christmassy paper. It's so cute. Then I bought this glitter paper. This is going to look amazing when I do DIYs in the background. And the best part is the glitter doesn't come off of this. It's that good quality. So this one was the only expensive one, 20 rupees. But I think it's still affordable. Then I got a rickshaw paper one. It's just so chumbak type and very desi. I like such prints. How can I go and not buy polka dot papers? I just like polka dots since forever, and this one was just right up my alley and it's flown away. Then this is my mom's favorite print. She loves such British rose prints, and because of her now even I have started to love them. Next I got a very cheesy paper. It's little romantic doodles and I used to do them all the time when I was bored in lectures. So I just bought it. And mind you, I didn't buy one piece of everything. Some papers I bought a dozen of because I'm paper obsessed. Then I bought this abstract quirky print paper. Then this is a mooch wala paper, I like to call it. This print went very viral a few years back. Then a smiley paper. Smileys are every freaking where. And most of them are positive, so I like it. Then this is another desi type paper which I like a lot. I can't hold them. Then I got a colorful pencils paper. I always see this print on Google all the time when you search for cute wallpapers. So why not in a paper? I bought some classic ones, a gold and white striped one and a silver and white striped one. I'm just going to give up now on trying to hold these. Then this is like a mehndi art little thing. There's a name for this, mandala type design or something like that. Yeah. So I bought this one. Then I bought one more Christmassy paper. This one is a little bit too much in your face, but I like that. Then another brown paper in Christmas edition. There's a reindeer, there's an Eskimo. I used to use that word so much when I was in 1st and 2nd standard. Uske baad to there's never been an opportunity. Igloo. Then there's an elephant print. Again, this print I've seen on a lot of t-shirts. This is my second favorite because I'm a huge plaid person. I have a plaid scarf. I have 3 plaid shirts. I'm just plaid obsessed. So I bought a dozen of these papers. And that's my second favorite because this is my first favorite. This is Winnie the Pooh. I dressed as Pooh on Halloween. I've been obsessed with Pooh since I was 3. So I literally told him to give me all the pieces he has in this. And luckily it was just 12, so it didn't burn a huge hole in my pocket. Then I bought a China ball. So this is basically a medium of lighting you can create. This can diffuse the light. So if you have an LED bulb, this will make it softer. And I bought 6 of these. These are just 35 rupees each. So I can get better lighting because I won't get to shoot here all the time. I'm at the YouTube space. And lastly, I bought a lot of these books of fancy paper. This is the vintage edition. And these are hard paper. So these are thicker than the ones I just showed you. These look like wallpapers, you know. And they have a cutout page in the start, which I never use because I'm too afraid that it'll get over, but I always like it. And yeah, I like this one also. This is a very fresh print. Floral. And a little vintage too, yeah. The cutout page. So this was my Crawford Market stationery haul. If you liked it, do give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more stationery hauls. I will see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.